Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2020 38 Realm. What a phenomenal boat this is. It does everything extremely well. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the Mercury Verado Quad 400s. A ton of horsepower for this boat. Hops right on plane, good top end, right around 50 miles an hour. It cruises extremely well. And let's go into some of the other features. You've got a very comfortable seat in the back, three adults very comfortably, kind of sneak in four if you need to. If you do decide to throw a line over, fold it up. You've got your rod holders right here. You've got your ladder that goes into the dive door over here. So the ladder just hooks right in there. Makes it easy to get on and off the boat. Very, very safe way to get on and off the boat versus the back of the boat. As far as if you are fishing, instead of bringing the fish over the gunnel, it just slides right on in, right into the fish box. Real safe way not to lose the fish as well. So we've got a really cool feature here. It's got a cooler that you can open it up two different ways. You can slide this forward. We have a seat, nice comfortable seat here. And then we can open this up. Both, sorry. You get So you can put a ton of drinks in here. Just load it right up. It's refrigerated as well, and so you will not run out of drinks with this here at all. And then when you actually got it all loaded in there, all you need to do is open this up, and you can reach in and grab it easily from here without having to move the seat or anything like that. It's a really nice feature. As we move over to on the port side, we've got a galley set up. You've got the electric grill, you got a sink, you got a fridge and freezer combo right there. So really nice galley set up. And as we move over to the starboard side, this is the seat that you had facing this way. Now we can have it facing this way. So it's really nice. You got a dual captain seat, so you can have a couple people here, a couple of you are at the helm. Really nice feature of the helm. The seat will actually spin all the way around and face this. So you have two opposing seats, little table in the middle there. You can hang out. It's got AC down there as well. Then as I move to the bridge area here, you've got triple Ray Marines, all touchscreen, and then you got the joystick. Best, I tell you, my favorite part of the boat. I can go sideways on this boat. I can complete control of the boat in any direction. It's a fantastic option. You've got an autopilot in here, and you also have the skyhook, which locks me in, and I can, if I want to say even the sunset, I can point it at the sunset, hit the skyhook, and just stays there for an hour if I want, and it's fantastic. So as we move down to the cabin, it's a really large seating area, so you can just hang out down there. You do have AC on the boat, so it's all air conditioned down there. Little galley as well, and a nice stand-up head. As we move to the bow, we got a real heavy-duty door and window. The windshield actually goes down and tucks away, but when you need it, up it goes. And then just a big lounge area. So you get three adults very comfortably with armrests. You could actually put four here if you wanted to. Nice seating all the way around. It has a rocking sound system on this thing. You got the sun pad. This has a remote control, goes down. But when you're up, it's a beautiful teak table here as well. Plenty of room up on the front. It's got night vision. It's got the open array radar on it. Boat has everything. So if you got any questions or would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.